A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Well, we have just been reliably informed that our iconic singer, Toots Hibbert, is dead. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. This is where you get the best in local and international news on celebrities. We ask you, please remember just to like, share, click that notification bell so you're notified as well when we post new videos. The Jamaican and international music fraternity has been plunged into mourning following the sudden passing of reggae and Grammy Award winning superstar Toots Hibbert. Toots Hibbert passed away just a few hours ago, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt condolences to his family, his friends, and also to other members of the music fraternity. So right now we're just going to give you the latest update that we have as it relates to the passing of the great reggae superstar. So the reggae superstar Toots Hibbert passed away on Friday at the University Hospital of the West Indies after being placed in a medically induced coma just a week ago. The 77-year-old, whose real name is Frederick Hibbert, was one of the frontmen of the groundbreaking reggae band and the ska group Toots and the Maytals, which almost for 6 decades has been among the most prominent reggae groups in Jamaica. The eldest daughter of Toots Hibbert, Jenny Bailey, and she's a gospel singer, stated that the family right now is overwhelmed with emotions and say that it's a difficult time for the family right now, especially those that were close to the reggae iconic singer. She also states that it's a difficult time for the family as Toots was loved by the family and they just wanted more time to have spent with him. Toots Hibbert manager Cable Stevenson was so overwhelmed with emotion as well that he could not even comment about the passing of the great iconic superstar. Hibbert was hospitalized in late August after he developed breathing problems. He was said to be awaiting a COVID test result at the time. The Jamaican iconic singer also recently participated in the annual festival song competition, for which he won 3 times. He also released his latest album, Got to Be Tough, just on August 28. Toots Hibbert was constantly touring with his band from in the 70s, when in the landmark album Funky Kingston, one of the greatest reggae albums of all time, made his global superstar known right across the world. He and his band won the Grammy back in 2005 for that album. So Toots was one of our greatest iconic singers to date, and I'm telling you, this news came as a shock to the entire music fraternity, as many were hoping for his speedy recovery. So he released an album on the 28th of August, I'm told, known as Got to Be Tough, and that would have been the latest work put out by Toots and his band up to date. So we just want to take this opportunity once more just to express our condolences to the family and friends of the great iconic superstar. And I'm telling you, I can just imagine the pain that the family is going through at this time, as this was unexpected and came at a time when the world is faced with a crisis of the coronavirus. We are not sure whether or not the coronavirus was a contributing factor to the passing of the superstar, but we were reliably informed just 2 weeks ago that he did a COVID test and was awaiting the result of that. We are not sure whether the results of that came back already or whether or not he was positive or he was negative. Toots Hibbert, the influential and veteran Jamaican ska and reggae singer, has left a mark on our reggae music. The cause of his passing is not yet known, but he recently was tested for the COVID-19. A statement from his family released on September 11 reads, It is with the heaviest of heart to announce that Frederick Nathaniel Toots Hibbert passed away peacefully last night, surrounded by his family at the University Hospital of the West Indies in Kingston, Jamaica. The family and his management team would like to thank the medical teams and professions for their care and diligence and ask that you respect their privacy during this difficult time as they grieve the passing of the great iconic singer. Toots, the youngest of seven children for his parents, who were both Seventh-day Adventist ministers, and he grew up in church singing with his parents. He moved to the country's capital, Kingston, as a teenager and formed the first version of the Metals in the early 1960s. Toots recorded a number of songs which created a historic moment for reggae and also himself in the music arena. He was also a contemporary friend of reggae iconic singer Bob Marley, as they were both signed to Island Records at one point in time. The passing of the great iconic reggae singer has came as a shock to many, and a number of them have took to social media just in order to send their condolences to his family, his friends, and also the band itself. Toots have been a household name right across the world, and it's very sad to see that he did not recover from that illness that he was admitted at the university hospital for some weeks ago. And it's very sad at this time, and I know that the music fraternity is mourning the loss of one of the greatest and most profound reggae iconic singer of reggae music, and he has been one of those artists that spread the word of our music right across all diaspora of the world. And we here just want to take this opportunity just to say goodbye to Toots, and we will miss him very much. Toots has been one of the founding member of reggae music, and he has been around for a long time now, and he has performed in various locations right across the world. And Toots has created his name as a household name in Jamaica, and not only in Jamaica but also on the international scene. And he has cemented himself as one of our great music iconic singers to date. Walk well, my brother. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one. Thanks for watching. Please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. We'll have more details to come on this.